Hello, my friends. Welcome to Daily Slow English. Today's story is about Jake's first date at a restaurant. In this story, you will hear simple sentences about love and restaurant English. Together, we will learn daily English and explore daily life in North America. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Hi, friends. I'm Jake, a young guy living in a busy city. I spend most of my days working in an office. Even though work keeps me busy, I enjoy good food and coffee. In my free time, I like reading books and meeting friends. But deep inside my heart, there is something more important. I like a girl named Amy. She has a sweet smile and kind eyes. Every time I see her, I feel happy inside. Tonight, I hope to spend time with her. I pick up my phone feeling a little nervous. After a deep breath, I press the call button. The phone rings and then Amy answers.
Hello?
I smile with relief and say, "Hi, Amy. It's Jake."
Oh, hi, Jake.
She replies warmly, and my heart feels lighter. Gathering my courage, I ask, "Would you like dinner with me tonight?" There is a short pause before she says,
Yes, I'd love to.
Hearing her answer makes me so happy inside. I know tonight will be something special. Right after that, I dial the restaurant number. A man answers politely.
Good evening.
I clear my throat and say, "I'd like to make a reservation." "A table for two, please," I request.
What time?
He asks. 7 o'clock, I reply.
All right, 7 o'clock.
He confirms politely. I thank him and hang up with a smile. Evening finally comes, and I dress nicely for the night. I walk quickly to the restaurant full of excitement. When I arrive, I see Amy waiting at the door. She looks beautiful under the warm evening lights. I wave and smile at her, and she waves back. "Hi, Amy," I say happily.
Hi, Jake.
She replies with a gentle smile. We stand for a moment smiling at each other. Then we walk into the restaurant together. A waiter greets us politely at the entrance. He shows us to a cozy table by the window. I pull out the chair for Amy and she smiles. We both open the menus and look at the dishes. "This pasta looks nice," I say with interest.
I think I'll try the salad.
Amy replies warmly. The waiter comes back with his notepad ready.
May I take your order?
I order pasta and Amy chooses a fresh salad. We also order drinks, water for me, juice for her. The waiter writes it down, smiles politely, and walks away. As we wait, we begin to talk about our day. Amy shares about her work and I listen carefully. Then she asks about my office job and I tell a story. She laughs softly and I feel happy to see her smile. Already I feel closer to her. Soon, our food arrives and the waiter sets it down. "This looks wonderful," I say with a smile.
Yes, it does.
Amy replies cheerfully. I taste the pasta and she enjoys her salad. The food is delicious and we talk as we eat. Her kind eyes look at me warmly across the table. In that moment, I feel truly happy. After we finish, the waiter comes back. I raise my hand and ask for the bill. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please? He brings it quickly and sets it on the table. I pay with my card and the waiter thanks me. Amy looks at me kindly and says,
Thanks for dinner.
My pleasure, I reply, glad to see her smile. Together we walk outside into the cool night air. The street is quiet under the glow of the lamps. I glance at Amy and my heart beats faster. Gathering courage, I look into her eyes. Amy, I like you, I say honestly. She looks surprised, then smiles softly.
I like you too, Jake.
She replies gently. My chest feels warm with joy. I can hardly believe this moment is real. Let me walk you home, I say softly. Amy smiles and says,
That would be nice.
so we walk side by side under the streetlights. The walk feels too short, and soon we arrive. We stand at her door smiling at each other. Good night, Amy, I say softly.
Good night, Jake.
She replies with kind eyes. She waves gently and I wave back. As I walk away, my steps feel light and free. A smile stays on my face the whole way home. I know this night will remain in my heart. It is the beginning of something new and beautiful.
This was Jake's love story about a date at a restaurant. Love is one of the most important parts of our everyday life. And of course, food is too. I hope you learned some useful English and also a little more about daily life in Canada. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.